Drina, bobina, banana, fana, fofina, fee, fi, momina. Drina!
Dino, Fino, Mobino, Sheena, farts.
You said fart!
Yeah, I just don't get this game. What are you singing?
I was doing the name game song about our shout out today.
Oh, I love shout-outs. Who are we shouting out about? Banana Fama?
No!
Fee Fi Momina?
No!
Mexico?
Why would we shout out about Mexico? Do they have a YouTube channel?
Actually, they might.
Well, no, not Mexico today. Today we're shouting out about Drina Dayz.
Awesome! I love her channel. She does so much.
Yeah, she's got a vlog and does all kinds of fun things on it. She does unboxing videos like this one from Australia.
That's where kangaroos live.
And whamboozles.
I don't think there is such a thing.
I saw one once.
You've been to Australia.
Whatever. Don't question my authority about whamboozles.
Anyway, Drina also shows off fun things she does, like playing in the snow, or playing with slime, or playing a fun game.
Sounds like she has a lot of fun playing.
Yes, she does. We love watching all of her adventures. Here, check this one out.
Wow, she has so many awesome fun videos to watch. I want to watch them all.
Well, everyone can watch her videos by going to her channel and clicking on the subscribe button.
Then you will never miss a single video she does. Just follow the link in the video below.
Thanks, Drina, for making such fun videos, and we hope everyone watches them. Bye!
That was great!
Oh, that was awesome, Bug!
Hey, everybody, be sure to subscribe by pressing that circle with our faces on it.
Yeah, and after you subscribe, click on the rectangle to go to the next amazing Boog and Shug video.